How to remove text box background color in Word document. As you can see, this text box is not a transparent text box. To remove the color, the white color, you need to right click on the border, then go to the format shape option. Under the shape options, you will see here the option of field. Click on it to expand it, and instead of solid field, select the option no field. After selecting this option, the color will be removed from the text box and you can see through the text box. You can also remove the color by clicking on the shape format option. Under the field shape, select the option no field, and this will also remove text box background color in Microsoft Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification icon if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly.